to honor the supreme sacrifice of India's legendary revolutionaries, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev, the West Tripura chapter of MY Bharat has announced a mega Martyrs Day March to be held on March 23, 2026. The initiative theme Amar Bharat, Amar Dayitwa aims to bridge the gap between historical remembrance and modern civic action, inspiring the youth to contribute actively toward nation building. The Padayatra will cover a 3-kilometer stretch starting from the iconic Ujjayanta Palace, passing through Jackson Gate and Orient Chomni and concluding at the Umakanto ground. At a press conference held today, March 20, 2026, at the MY Bharat Tripura office in Bardawali, Agartala, officials detailed the roadmap for the event.
Before I start the press conference, I would like to introduce myself. Myself, BP Shah, Bimal Patrick Shah, State Director, MY Bharat. And to my left, this is Ajit Kumar, District Youth Officer, West Tripura districts, and also holding charge of all the districts of Tripura state. And to my right, Mr. Nandan Rai is the Program Supervisor of MY Bharat office, posted in state office. So basically, we are going to organize under the aegis of MY Bharat Padayatra on the occasion of Shaheed Diwas, that is on 23rd of March in this month. As you all know that there will be Padayatra will be organizing all over India in all the districts. Likewise in Tripura state also we are going to organize Padayatra on 23rd of March, in which this Padayatra, the main activity of this Padayatra has already been started from today itself. There are 3 sequences, 3 activities, and there are several multifarious activities also have been included in the pre-event activities. So the final Padayatra is on 23rd of March, but prior to that, the different activity will be like from today itself, there is a quiz competition going on under the MY Bharat portal. After that, then there will be a reel making challenge competition, and then on 22nd of March we will be organizing some cleanliness drive, like cleaning of the cleaning in the area of medical area, like cleaning of plastics and all that, with the help of involving college students, university students and youth club members.
Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.